Okay, guys, after the 1 kilometer walk, this is the resort entrance, and there is something written here. So this goes back to some history. Okay, let's enter. It's a cloudy day today, so the sun was out in the morning, and like famous, typical in the mountains, in the afternoon, the clouding builds up around the hilltops, so the sun is gone. A beautiful arch, and then the main resort starts from here. Let's get inside and see what's happening here. This is the office, and I think somebody's there working inside there. That's also the gym. This is where the owner and the manager stay. They have a nice nursery going on out here. You can come and sit out here also. TT table for the kids. There are rooms out here also. Beautiful. 2 suites are here, I think. And right in front of it is the nursery, maintained by the Mali out here. There's a bird out there. I better not go close to it. She will just run away. I think she's resting. And this is the all glass. Initially, when you come here, take off your shoes inside here. It's a beautiful set out, and there's a 3-sided glass, and on top also, if you notice, there's all glass, so you'll see the rain falling and the works happening out here. Let's go around it before we go inside and have a look. We're almost in the clouds. A lot of moist haze. Otherwise, you can see for miles. There are steps going down, but I'm not going to go there. I'm going to sidestep into this place. And this is also part of the weaver on the other side. Maybe sit out and everything. And my room is below, exactly where I'm walking on these wooden planks. My room is below there. And there are people inside there getting ready for lunch. And after lunch, we're going to go for another walk. Full glass frontage. That's a kitchen inside there. There are some more resorts that side. At night, place for bonfire. Let's sit out here and to just have fun. And this is the view. Really not much of a view right now because of the clouding. But once it clears up, we'll really get to see it. It is beautiful. Somewhere in this direction, that's where the galaxy rises. And I'm waiting for the weather to clear up. I'm hoping tonight I might get a chance, or maybe even tomorrow. We've got a whole day. Let's see what happens. Those are the steps that are going down to where I'm staying. They go all the way down. And there's a room exactly below where I am. So let's go into the main hall, which is also half concrete and half glass construction. And she's one of the girls who's with us on this trip. Total about 9 to 10. That's the way to the kitchen. And let's get inside here. It's really beautiful. On top, if you see, there's a beautiful aroma you'll get from this plant. It's a creeper going all along the roof edge. And we have a glass top. That is the main hall. That's another beautiful place. take off your shoes out here. So let me first take my shoes off, and then we will enter. But everybody's there waiting patiently for the lunch. And let's go inside. Okay. And that is the crowd here. Hi everybody. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Hello. That's everybody. And this lady is a doctor. Brave lady. She's in the Indian Army. She's a lieutenant colonel. Full colonel. Hi sir. Oh my God. Disaster. Full colonel. That is Good afternoon sir.
Jai Hind.
एक तो फुल कर्नल है उसमें से डॉक्टर है और आप ऐसे कर
और बस आ तो इंजेक्शन मिलेगा पक्का. And people here from way across the country.
Oh, hello.
Where have you come from? Where have you come from?
Great explorer
From?
From Kolkata.
Yeah. And
Dr.
hi.
Saab from
Ajay Nihalani, Ghaziabad.
Fantastic. And that is our famous Kiki, who has brought us here. And he's been giving us a talk on the Himalayas, which was just fantastic. And these are all the guys. This guy's from Bangalore. He's come all the way from there.
his wife has got very good lenses which the artist has been eyeing for many long months.
Yes, that is true, because all my lenses. Also, and my lenses are all f4. And that is his wife. And she just would not give me her lenses, which are f2.8. Can you imagine? And she won't let me touch her lenses. I'm going to steal them tonight for sure.
No way.
Here, this is M&M. This is Mahua. This is Madhu. Madhu, say hi.
Hi.
And this is the Golden Oriole. What's your name? Golden Oriole, what's your name?
Aarti.
And that's the kitchen. Those guys are amazing. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. And that is Radhika.
Hello.
She runs this place. And amazing food. I'm telling you, I've gained weight.
Amazing hospitality.
Amazing hospitality.
all
Out of the
are going
world.
to gain it.
She's with us morning, noon, and night.
That's fine.
And that is some awesome food there. Okay, let me show you the
I am
food.
thinking whether I should have fruit first or later.
That's a curry,
Have it with
some vegetables, nice rice, and salad. Amazing stuff. I'm already hungry. So guys, for the time being, I'm going to sign off. And just to show you around, this is where Kiki was giving his presentation on the Himalayas. A long session today, and then we're going to have another session tomorrow. Everybody is loving it. And if you have time, there are enough number of books if you want to read. And that is where I came from. So I'm going to go out of this hall, or rather, no, not as yet. There are some more books this side. And this side of this hall is also one full glass wall. Full glass wall and part roof. So it is amazing. Most of us spend our whole time out here. And from here, the same wooden planked area that I was talking about, below which is my room. So that is the whole crowd. And I'm signing out for the time being.